And we're here at the Geneva Motor Show with Mark Adams, Vice President, General Motors Europe Design. And Mark, we're looking here at the new Opel Vauxhall Meriva. Now, Vauxhall's been tremendously successful in the monocab segment. You've had vehicles like Severa, Meriva, and the new Aquila. Now, here's the Meriva concept. How does this take it on?
Well, we're really taking all the fundamental ingredients of the cars you just mentioned there, with all of our clever Flex 7, Flex 5 seating configurations, and taking that whole level of flexibility and versatility to a whole new level. In this particular concept, we're actually creating a new door, a door mechanism where we have a rear hinge door, which we're calling Flex Door. It's a unique trademarked concept that we're using here that gives really great versatility to the rear seats with independently opening doors. People may have seen doors that open like this in the past, but they are usually overlapping doors. Here we have totally independent, flexible execution, and that gives really great access to the rear of this vehicle.
And it is those doors that are going to be in the pictures that make the headlines for this car when they're seen in the papers this week and the magazines beyond. Now, right angle doors, it has become a bit of a buzz. How do you make them safe? Because that's the other question, isn't it?
Well, I mean, in history, in the past, we never had the clever electronics that we have today, and on this vehicle we have a system where you cannot open the rear door while the car is in motion. So the vehicle is always closed until you finally stop. That's the only time at which you can open the rear door. And also at the same time, if children are getting out, parents can get out the front, you're in total control of that environment between the doors, which adds that other layer of safety to the overall usage of it.
And inside, of course, the ability to just any form of arrangement of seats you like.
Yeah, I mean, in this configuration, we've got a 5-seater configuration, very open, spacious environment, using our new, really move towards our next generation interiors, which has a much more inviting and wraparound feel, uses the wing design theme that we've been showing on the GTC last year and which we're highlighting in this car. And I think that, combined with the exterior, the very dramatic exterior design of this car with some very unique features, really create a much more emotional buzz around the brand and creates a very dynamic vehicle, even in this very compact monocab segment. Driving drama, visual drama through graphics, shape and form is very important, and that's what we're trying to achieve here.
Well, it is a concept vehicle, but it can't be very far apart from the real thing.
No, we're taking and using many of these ideas in many of our future vehicles coming through, including many of our next generation monocab vehicles. You'll see many of these signature elements coming through in that design philosophy, and I'm very confident that we've got a very emotional yet very practical and fundamental vehicles that really work for the overall brand and build the brand in the right way.